echoey sound. I'm in my dome and it's got glass on the outside. Oh, I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming. And I can't wait to grow amazing things in here. I need to build shelving and all that sort of stuff to go with, but for now it's glazed and that's good enough for me. It's been a while since I did an update. There's been a lot of reasons why, some of them outside the garden, like a bit of international travel and a couple of wisdom teeth. Don't recommend that, don't do that. But we are just winding down to winter now. We are well and truly into autumn. But what I really wanted to do is just show you the dome being glazed, because I'll link to in the description the footage of the dome being built and then our temporary glazing technique with the pallet wrap, and now there's following along from this as well will be it being glazed. And I had a wonderful team. A big shout out to the team at 15 Stars Glass. If you want your anything glazed in the Auckland region, give them a bell. They are fabulous guys. And they were the only ones willing enough to take on this project. Oh, but it's very hot in here. And even though it's really hot, I'm going to go inside after I've made this video because there are wasps everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's not safe. So sit back, watch the video and see what you think. So that's pretty cool. Now it's done. The garden is complete. Well, not quite, because I still need a tool shed and an office shed and an orchard. Oh, the list goes on. There's loads more to come. But for now, even though it is a beautiful blue sky day, I will not linger in this garden much longer because there are wasps everywhere. And to be honest, they're frightening the bejeebies out of me. Oh my gosh. Hopefully the weather will cool ever so slightly and they will disappear, and then I can enjoy the garden again. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. So take care. Thanks for watching. Oh, one other thing just before, I just need to introduce you to a little friend of mine. We still have Fennel the cat helping out in the garden, but I've got a new addition. I'll show you. Jasper. This is Jasper. Hey Jasper. And he's adorable. I'm not a dog person, but he's wormed his way in and we love him. So there we go. So you'll probably see loads more of Jasper in the future. Right, now I better get inside before these wasps decide they want more than just the garden beds to eat. They'll eat me. Right, take care. Bye-bye. Come on, Jasper. Come on, Jasper.